In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install a printer driver on Mac. So let's get started. Now the first step is to connect your printer. So if it's a wireless printer, you turn on the printer, then use the printer menu, go to network or WLAN, and then set up wizard and then connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, if it's a USB printer like this, just simply connect it to your Mac. Now, once that is done, then you have to add the printer, okay? And this is when Mac auto installs the driver, okay? Now, this doesn't always work because usually whenever you use a printer, Mac automatically downloads the driver from Apple servers. So if it works like that, that's perfect. If it doesn't, then we're gonna go with the manually downloading the drivers. So just go ahead to printers and scanners, click on add printer, and then go ahead and wait for your printer to appear and click add, and hopefully it automatically downloads the correct driver and you're good to go. Now if Mac shows driver not available or the printer doesn't appear, then this is what you have to do. Now you have to download the driver from manufacturer websites, okay? And manufacturers give full drivers on their website, and these are the different most common printer brands: HP, Brother, Canon, Epson, okay? Now for example, if you're using HP printer, you can just go to this link, okay? And then you're gonna go under the printer section, and then you're gonna go to the section of downloading the drivers, okay? So I'm currently under that section. Now here you'll obviously have to put in your printer model, and it also tells you on how you can see that. Then you'll have to choose the Mac OS version, download the full driver and software package, then obviously run the DMG file and follow the on-screen steps. Now once you're done with all that, then you have to go back to your system settings, add a printer, and now your printer should appear. Select it, and under this use option, as you see right here, you have to choose your printer driver and not AirPrint, okay? Now once that is done, just click on add. And now if the printer still doesn't work, then what you can do is you can try resetting the printing system. So just reset and click on reset, and hopefully that fixes it. You obviously have to add your printer again once you do that. Another fix could be updating your Mac OS. So you can just go to your system settings, search up software update, and make sure that you're updated to the latest version. The last fix is that you could restart your Wi-Fi plus the printer. So for wireless printers, you restart the printer, restart your Wi-Fi router, then reconnect printer to Wi-Fi and add the printer again, and hopefully that works out. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.